Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to create a miscellaneous item, also known as an open item. And basically what this item is going to do is allow you to select it. You can rename the item. So basically if it's a menu item or a special order or something and you need a way to ring it up, it allows you to ring up this item, you rename it, and you give it a miscellaneous price. So it just kind of gives you some flexibility. Some places do this, some places don't. But if you're one of those places that want to do this, you have to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Go to the menu up at the top left, and then go to account menu. That's going to default you to items, which is exactly where we need to be. We're going to add new to add a new item. And I usually call this, it depends on the environment, if it has a bar there, etc., etc. I usually do open food. If there's a bar at the establishment, then I'll also do like an open liquor. It just depends on what you need. Open merchandise, whatever kind of open you need. I'm just going to do open food there. I'm not going to do a short name, not going to do a description. I'm not going to add a price. I am going to make it taxable. And then there is an option right here for miscellaneous item. So this sets this item individually customizable in the point of sale for special cases. We're going to place a check there because that's exactly what we want this item to do. And then you have to decide down here where you want it to report to. I'm just going to choose a food report category. And, excuse me. And I do want it to print to the kitchen. And I do want it to be taxable. So I'm going to put sales tax. Now, if this were open liquor, I would do both the sales tax and the liquor tax, or at least here in Oklahoma. Weird like that here. I don't know if it's like that in other states or not. And then we're not going to do sizes, sections. So this is where you can get creative with it. So there's places that just want it in one section, and there's other places that they want it on every single screen, maybe up at the top left-hand corner, like in the same spot on every single screen. So if you want to do that, you can choose multiple categories or sections, but I'm just going to choose entrees for this example. And then no modifiers. Although if you're using a food prep, you could add a food prep modifier here. And then I usually like to make it some bright color like the pink or magenta, whatever that is. And I do not like having it available online or in kiosk. You can if you want, but that's just asking your customers to make up their own stuff and cause problems. So we're going to hit save on this. We got our save successful banner that flashed real quick, so we're ready to close this, and we're ready to publish changes. We'll hit yes on this. Wait for our confirmation here. All right, changes have been published. Now let's see what that looks like on the workstation. Okay, so now we're on the workstation. We're going to go to new ticket, start a new ticket, and then we go to entrees, and there it is. We see that we have an item called open food. We click on that. Now it is going to default to 0 because it's allowing you to enter the information. So if I wanted to I'll just put something in as chili, and we're going to do amount of $5 and hit done. Now you can leave special instructions here as well. And that's it. So it just lets you make a random item on the fly anytime you want. So I hope this video was helpful. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.